guys, I'm so happy to welcome you here. I will show you how to add and how to edit music for the video on the CapCut. Let's check the result. The first step is to open our CapCut app. I need to go to the camera section and album to get access to my gallery and choose some video as an example. Let's import this video. Don't forget to disable the default ending from the CapCut. And we have our clip. How to add music? We need to choose this second section from the menu at the bottom of the screen and tap on the sounds. You can log in your TikTok account if you want to get access to the TikTok saved music to use it for your video clip edition, but I want to go to this recommended option. There is a lot of different audio and music I can use also, so it's a very cool feature for me. If you don't have the plus icon to add this music to your video clip, you need to download it before after tapping on this downloading option here to the side. So I want to use this first music because I like it so much, so let's tap on this plus icon. And as you can check guys, this music is too long, so I want to correct its duration. After clicking on this audio line, I can drag the white line to the needful point to start my music appearance. So I will set it on this way. To start my music at the very beginning of my video, I need to drag this line a little bit to the left. And I want to crop a little bit again, to drag to the start point of my video, as you can check here, to start my music at the very beginning. Okay, and as you can check, this audio clip is too long, so let's crop it again. I need to drag on the audio line, tap on this white line and drag it to the left side only. Be very careful right now because, as you can check, it's too quickly for me. Okay, guys, I want to make my audio a little bit longer than my video clip, so I will set it in this way. And what I want to show you again, that we have the specific fade option. I very like it because it can help you to make your audio more customized and add some cool effects for it. I will enable the sound after I will edit my audio clip to show you the result, but right now I want to show you only the fade in and fade out option. You can correct it by dragging the slider to the right or left side and save it after tapping on the check mark. You can also split your audio, add beats, delay it, correct the speed, and I definitely very like this reduce noise option. Let's go to the voice effects feature because I very like it, it's awesome. I want to activate a little bit the pitch option here and make it on the 60 level. Don't forget about this reset option. You can tap on it and reset all of these changes to the default one. Let's tap on the check mark, and also I want to enable my sound of device to show you the result. We need to go to the full screen mode and let's tap on the play to check. Let's again. I definitely very like this effect, guys, and if you want to add some music on your video on this application, don't forget to comment below because I hope that this tutorial definitely was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks about this CapCut application and other programs. And good luck guys, goodbye!